Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Linux Mint 22.3, but the process is same on all Linux Mint versions. Okay, first verify whether VS Code comes as the default application or not. See, you don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, now open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Now go to Visual Studio Code official website. It is code.visualstudio.com. Click on download or click on download for Linux this .debian package. So click on download, then select this .debian for Linux Mint. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. Now install this package, sudo dpkg-i code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire package name. Hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Use left and right arrows from your keyboard. Select this as to add Microsoft AP repository for Visual Studio Code. Select as and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Go to all applications, code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Or go to terminal, just give code and hit enter. Let me close this one first. Hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Unless this file is not recorded anymore, remove it to clear the space. RM code, press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay, in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code current stable version on Linux Mint 22.3. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.